Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to monitor the DHT data on this new Blynk dashboard. So for this one we are going to use the Node MCU and the DHT22 module. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. If we want to create or add a new device, we cannot do that. This will ask us to upgrade the Blynk ID, and for that we have to pay some money, but we are going to do it for free. How? Because the quick start device, we don't need that one. That was just for testing purpose. So I'm going to click on here and click on delete. Okay, yeah, delete this device. Done. So now go to developer zone, and here we have only one template now, hydroponics, and this one for the switch control we have created. Now go to new template and name it as let's say DST test, and hardware we are going to use ESP8266 Wi-Fi, and click on done. So that's how you have created it. Now add first device. We are going to add the device name as let's say DHT test, or we can say only DHT. Okay. Now okay, now that will add some problem in the code, I guess. So I'll name it as DHT test only. Okay. Now click on create. Okay, we have created the device, and copy this one to keyboard, and here I have the note. I will paste it right here, and we are going to need this one for our coding. Now go to set up the web dashboard. So what do we need? We are going to use a DHT sensor to monitor the data. So what do we need here? So first thing, we need to see the value. So we can use the label also, but this one is less attractive. So we are going to use the gauge, and 1, 2, and another one, that is 3. So we are adding 3 such widgets because we are going to monitor 3 different parameters. So let's configure that one. So click on settings, and title I'm going to add it is going to be temperature. Let's say temp only. And now we have to create a data stream. For the virtual pin, we are going to use the pin V0, and the value is going to be temperature. And here you can choose the symbols as well. There are different kind of symbols that you can choose. But right now I am not choosing anyone. So now click on B0, data type is going to be integer, and units here, let's say degree. Yeah, there it is. Now minimum, let's say 0, maximum 100, and that's how we create the data stream. And okay, this is done. Now click on save. And the other one, this is going to be the humidity. So I'll name as let's say HUMI only. Now create data stream, virtual pin. Similarly, for all the parameters you can choose, and here humidity, if we measure it in percentage, see here we have percentage as well. Now minimum 0, maximum let's say 100, and that's how created. Now click on save, and another one, this is going to be the dew point. So I'll write only dew. Now create data stream, virtual pin, and let's say let it be dew, and the value should be 0 to 100, not 1000. So right, this is how we have created, and unit we can choose here also degree. Okay, so this is done. Create, and now click on save. All the changes you of the colors and all that you can do in the application as well. So we are not going to check on that. So now go to click on the save, and the web dashboard is right here created. Now we need to create our mobile dashboard. So for that one, we need to switch to mobile. But before that, let's see the coding part. Okay. So now let's open the Arduino IDE, and here you can see the code for the temperature sensor monitoring, and you can find the code in the description below as well. So first of all, we are going to change this particular part with what we have copied from our website, and after that here we have the libraries. Okay, after that we have the library credentials, and you all know this, so we don't have to explain all this before, because we have done that previously as well. So you can find the code and you can use it. So now let's upload the code to our node MCU. So the code is now uploaded to the node MCU. So now let's do the circuit connection. But before that, let's create the mobile dashboard. So now let's set up the web dashboard, and here I have opened the Blynk application, and here you can see the DST test, and here we have to create our widgets. So first of all, we are going to use the, which one will be gauge. So here one, and then we need another one. There it is. Yeah, and we need another one. We are going to monitor three things. So first of all, this is, we are going to use the temperature, and let's say let's change the color to yellow. Okay, then another one is humidity, and let's choose a color as blue or cyan. Then we have this dew point. Now choose the design and color as, let's say, green. Okay, I have not chosen the data stream here, so this one V2. Okay, now back. So here you can see the temperature value is 27 degree, humidity is 50%, and the dew point is 17 degree. So we are going to use this one, the node MCU, and one DST22 sensor. So let me connect it right here, and we are going to connect it using the jumper wires, and we will connect the VCC and ground to the 3 volt and the ground of the node MCU, and the D4 pin of the node MCU will be connected to the signal pin of this sensor. So now let's see the data on our dashboard. So here we have connected the sensor to the node MCU, and in our mobile application you can see all the values. This is the temperature value that says 27 degree. This is the humidity value that says 63%, and this is the dew point that is 20 degree. So that's all about our today's tutorial, and if you find it helpful, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and all the suggestions in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you will never miss an update. So that's all for today, and see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, walk smart.